Everything you've been told about Pinterest safety is completely wrong. Even if you change your IP address, Pinterest's machine learning models can identify you by how you interact with the platform. Your mouse movement patterns alone can give you away. VPNs alone won't save you. Pinterest doesn't just check your IP. They build a complete profile of your device. Changing IP with the same fingerprint is like putting on a mask but keeping the same outfit. The technology behind this is called browser fingerprint spoofing. It replaces your real device data with synthetic but realistic values that Pinterest accepts as genuine. Your competitive advantage multiplies immediately. While others lose accounts and start over, you keep building and growing consistently. Every day without protection is a day your accounts are at risk. Click the link